In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a 3,000 word article using Perplexity AI. Whether you are creating a blog post, research paper, or in-depth guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So first, make sure you are on the Perplexity AI official website, and then you can use the free versions or sign in for details features like cross search and citations. Now, define your article topics. Choose a clear and specific topic for your article. So, to give you all an example, I will prompt Perplexity to generate a 3,000 word of article about for a specific topic that I chose. So, once it's done, you can expand each section and then write a prompt like for example, write a 500 word section on choosing a niche for an online business with actionable tips, and then repeat this for every section until you reach 3,000 words. Now, once the draft is complete, you can review it for clarify coherence and structure. Use tools like Grammarly, Hemingway Editor, or Killbot to improve readability. And if your article requires references, you can ask Perplexity AI like provide sources and citations for a specific claim, and then verify sources for credibility before finalizing your article. And then once it's done, you can now paste it to the Google Docs, WordPress, or Notions. And that's it. That's how you write a 3,000 word article using Perplexity AI. With the right prompts and structure, you can generate high quality content quickly. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.